Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite cleaning products. So a lot of these products are the same from the last time I did my favorite cleaning product video, but a lot of them are different too, so I thought I would just update you guys, let you know what I'm liking. A lot of these products are also going to be from Grove Collaborative. This is not sponsored by them or anything. And then I'll also have a link for you guys down in the description box. If you've never ordered from Grove Collaborative before, you can actually get $10 off your first order with them if you use that link. So the first thing that I am still using is the Method Glass Cleaner. I like the smell of it. It's really fresh. Most Windex doesn't have that smell. It's normally like a more chemical smell, and I really like this. Everything's all natural in it also, and it just makes it smell a whole lot more fresh wherever you're using it at. And then of course I'm still using my Method Granite Cleaner. I would never change this for the world. I have tried a lot of other things on my countertops and all of them seem to leave like a residue, and this is the only thing that doesn't, and I love the smell of it. It is the, I know it's apple orchard, so you've got to use this if you haven't already. It smells great, it doesn't leave a residue, and it works really good too. And then I'm still using the Wayman Cooktop Cleaner. This is probably my favorite cooktop cleaner. We did pick up a different one from Lowe's last time because Walmart was out of this one, but I would definitely choose this one any day over anything. I like the one that you drizzle on top of the stove too, but we just use this more often. So the first new thing I'm using is the LaSHEA Power Bathroom Cleaner, and I have been using this just for a couple of weeks, but I'm really liking it. It's like an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it in the toilet, the shower, the bathtub, the sink, wherever you want to use it, and I just sit it there and let it soak for a little bit, and literally you can just wipe off the tub and everything comes off. So I'm really liking this so far, and it smells really fresh too. And then I'm loving this Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle All-Purpose Cleaner. And I will say that I will not use this on my granite. I have used it before. I think I've talked about it in a video before. I do see a lot of people using this on their granite, and maybe they don't have the same problem as me, but this just seems to leave kind of like a sticky residue. And the the Method doesn't. So I really like this for just like cleaning off the stove or cleaning off the microwave or the refrigerator or anything like that. You can use this. You can even use it in the bathrooms, but I just don't use it on the granite. But it smells really good, and I use it on pretty much everything else in the house. Okay, so one of my absolute favorites out of everything I'm showing you today is the Method Wood Cleaner. I will probably never switch from this ever either. In my last video, I was still using Pledge, and honestly, Pledge left that sticky residue, and I did not like it at all. So I finally found this, and I absolutely love it. It makes your table look shiny. It smells so freaking good, and you guys need to try this. If you have wood in your house at all, like, you need to try this. I also use this like on my counters, my cabinets. I use it on my cabinets when it's time to clean those off too. And then for the toilet, I just use this normal toilet bowl cleaner. I feel like it works really good. It soaks up really good, so I'm really liking this. I've been using this for a couple months now. This is the second one I've gone through. And then for our floors, we have hardwood floors in our house. We just use a mix between white vinegar and water. You can see Piper over there climbing around. But this is literally the best thing. We have the Bonamop, whatever you want to call it, and we just squirt a bunch of this on the floor, mop it up, and the floors are shiny and clean. It does leave like a little vinegar smell in the house for a while, but it's not really a big deal. And this pretty much works better than anything I've ever used. I have used the Method floor cleaner as well, and I didn't like it as much as I liked the vinegar. And last but not least, I'm going to talk about something that I haven't used yet, but I saw Jessica using it in Keep Calm and Clean, and I asked her what it was, and this is what she told me it was. So I'm going to be trying these. I know a lot of people have tried these before. If you have, let me know down in the comments if you tried them and if you like them. I haven't yet. We just got these from Sam's Club this weekend, and I don't like having the little toilet cleaner there that's reusable. I just think it's gross, and I really didn't even know these existed. That's crazy, I know. They've probably been out for a really long time, but I'm excited to use these because these are disposable. These you can just throw away, and you don't have to leave that nasty toilet cleaner sitting there all the time. I just think that's gross, and I feel like these are gonna be a lifesaver for me. But like I said, if you've used them, let me know in the description, not in the description, let me know down in the comments if you've used them, and how you like them, because I'm excited. And next time I do one of these videos, I'll let you know how I like them. So yeah, that is all for the cleaning products I'm using right now and currently loving. If you use any of these products, let me know down in the comments that you like them too. And I'll leave a link to all of them down below too if you want to get your own. And remember, the $10 off the Grove Collaborative will be in the description as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake.